Hey guys, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be making some yummy adult popsicles. The ingredients we're going to need are frozen pineapples. We're going to need a half of a lemon. We're going to need some blackberries. We're going to need some mixed berries, which are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. And of course, we're going to need a funnel so we don't make a big mess. We're going to need some adult beverages. And we're going to need a blender. Yes. And the main point of this video is the popsicle papers. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, we're going to make the mixed berries popsicle, and we're going to use gin from a previous video I made, which was a blue motorcycle. And so I'm just using whatever I had left over, but feel free to use any type of alcohol. So let's get started with putting the berries in this measuring cup. Hopefully I don't make a big mess. And then we're going to go ahead and get started with using our blender. Alright, so now we're going to use a shot glass to measure out our alcohol. We don't want to get too crazy. If you do, that's your choice. And public service announcement, I am not a bartender, so feel free to use how much alcohol you think is best for you and your body. Now it's time to put the top on this blender and let's get blending. Alright, now that is done, make sure you check the consistency because it shouldn't be really thick or really watery. So make sure that it's just right. Up next, we're going to go ahead and grab a tall cup so that we can be able to assemble our popsicles and they're not all over the place. So this tall cup works for me. You're going to put your plastic popsicle holder in the cup. And you're going to go ahead and put your funnel over top and you're going to get the pouring. The funnel is very important. Now with these bags, I did get them off of Amazon for like $7. Some of the bags do come with a funnel. Mine did not come with a funnel. So I purchased a funnel from the grocery store and still the same thing, still works. But yeah, make sure you choose the popsicle plastic that comes with the funnel. Next up is our pineapple, blackberry, and Bacardi popsicle. I'm pretty sure this one is going to be really yummy. So go ahead and put in your frozen pineapples. Be sure that all your fruit are frozen. Be sure not to go over the fill line. Go ahead, get our shot glass and add. I made a couple of messes during this video. I think so make sure you are under the fill line. Tastes really because once you start squeezing, it's going to start rising up. All right, and our last popsicle is pineapple, lemon, ginger ale, and gin. Now, I could have used Bacardi for this one, so if you do have Bacardi, go ahead and try Bacardi with this popsicle, but feel free to use whatever alcohol you would like. I just didn't have any Bacardi left, as you can tell with the previous popsicle. So go ahead and add in your fruit. We're going to add in a squeeze of some fresh lemon. You don't need to go crazy with it. If you want to, feel free to use 2 wedges of the lemon. And then we're going to add in some ginger ale. I didn't show you this at the beginning, but yes, you do need ginger ale. So we're going to do a little less than a shot of ginger ale. And then we're going to do our shot of gin. All right, and these babies are all done. They're ready to go in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, or you can just put them in overnight and enjoy them the next day. Be sure to lay these popsicles flat because liquor does not really freeze and your liquor will all settle to the bottom of your popsicle. But we all know the best part of a popsicle is the juice is at the bottom. So stand them up if you want or lay them down. It's up to you. And they're done. Be sure to make these popsicles with your friends and your family and just have a good time before the summer is out. My next video is going to be a part 2 to some more yummy adult popsicles. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.